Okay, so welcome back to the course. So now in this lesson, I will share with you the one of the most important thing that you need to have when you want to have the live website. So the first thing is domain name. So I will cover the domain name in this lesson, and then I'll cover the next important thing, which is web hosting in the next lesson. So when it comes to domain name is the URL that people type into their browser to find your website. So for example, this is one of my website, webbuddy.sg. And this is another one of my website, tcmfoodtherapy.net. So this is called the domain name. And you also notice that the domain extension is different in this case. And the most popular domain name extension is .com. So if you were to get a domain name, I would suggest you to choose the .com version first if it's available. If it's not available, but you would really like to have that name, then you can go for .net. And .org is also pretty famous and popular. If your website is more geared towards organizations or association, for example. Okay, so what I want to do right now is to share with you the place that you can go and register domain name, and this is the website Namecheap. You can come to Namecheap to register domain name, or you can go to GoDaddy. These two are two of the biggest domain name registrar in the world. GoDaddy, one challenge about GoDaddy is that if you register domain name through them, you need to be careful as they tend to add a lot of upsells into your shopping cart. So just be aware of that. So once you come to Namecheap, what you can do is that you can go to Namecheap marketplace to search for a name, but this will be more expensive because you are getting from someone else. So normally you can just go to domain name search and search for a domain name. So for example, let's say I want to know if kcdan.com is available or not. So I click search, and it will tell me if someone else has registered for kcdan.com. Okay, so here is the other suggested results. So for example, kcdan.net, it is available at $12.98 per year. I can just add this to cart. Most probably kcdan.com has already been taken. Okay, so that's why they also suggest me other possible domain extension if I want to take this up. Okay, so you can see that it has been registered in 1999. Okay, so this is not available. So what you can do is that you can search for another name and type in another name right here and then search again. So once you find available name, you can register, and every year you need to pay about $13 per year to keep your domain name live. So domain name is the first thing that you need to have in order to have a live website. Okay, I'll share with you more about web hosting in the next lesson. I'll see you then.